To give you an idea of what makes Akixi, we're going to break it down into its component parts. The first thing you're going to need for an Akixi solution is an Akixi site. Now the thing to bear in mind is what service level will you need that Akixi site to be? That of course is going to depend on what reporting and features you're going to need. An Akixi site is not defined by a single geographical location. Indeed, you can have many geographical locations, multiple stores, multiple sites within one Akixi site for reporting purposes. So the next Akixi component are the devices you want to monitor. To be able to report on a device, each device within the Akixi site will require a per extension subscription. If you've taken Akixi 2000 for its call center features and reporting capabilities, you're going to need to monitor the agents. Each ACD agent you want to monitor and control using Akixi 2000 will require an ACD agent subscription. Once we've added all the devices and agents we want to be able to report on from within the Akixi site, we need to add the next component, which is the Akixi Supervisor. For each supervisor you want to be able to access their own portal, you're going to need a supervisor subscription. And it's worth knowing you can have different supervisors within the same site at different Akixi service levels. However, the supervisor service level cannot exceed that of the site. So for example, you couldn't have an Akixi 1000 supervisor on an Akixi Lite site. Depending on what service level the supervisor is, you've got access to real-time reporting via the portal, and of course scheduled reports by email. Let's just take a quick look at what each service level gives you. So starting with the Akixi Lite. Akixi Lite gives you historic reporting and scheduled reporting by email on all the devices within the Akixi site. Akixi 1000 gives you all the features and reporting capabilities of Akixi Lite, plus real-time reporting, which of course brings new reporting capabilities such as wallboards. Don't forget that each screen you want to display a wallboard on is going to require its own supervisor subscription. And with real-time reporting capabilities within Akixi 1000, you're able to use the Akixi Wallboard app. There's no additional subscription needed for the app. All you need is an existing Akixi 1000 subscription. And the Wallboard app is free to download from Apple's App Store or Google Play. Moving on to Akixi 2000. Akixi 2000, of course, brings you all the features and reporting capabilities of Akixi 1000, plus ACD analytics and agent control, as well as some extra reports such as hunt group reporting. For a detailed breakdown on the features and reports available on each service level, check out the tutorial on service levels. Let's have a quick look at all the components that come together to make Akixi. Let's start by looking at the basic Akixi solution. First of all, you're going to need to set up an Akixi site, either a Lite or 1000 2000. An Akixi site is charged at a one-off site connection fee. And then of course you're going to need something to report on. So for every device or extension you want to report on the Akixi site, you're going to need a monthly subscription, and that's the per extension subscription. Then of course you're going to need something to generate the analytics, and that's the Akixi Supervisor, which also comes in Lite 1000 and 2000, and again is a monthly subscription. Then we've got a couple of optionals. If you have a call center environment, you're going to need to report on your ACD agents. For every ACD agent you want to report on, they're going to require a monthly subscription, and it's worth noting that every agent will also need a per extension subscription. Another optional extra is the presence user. This gives the user visibility of the current state of other devices on their Akixi site. And then of course you've got the Wallboard app, which is free to download, but you do need an existing supervisor subscription.